Gabe. Happy birthday.
Thanks, man. All right, so not much to say today. We're still grinding higher, trying to. This market seems to be in a hurry to get to that 7,000 level. We have some gamma levels, but not much until that call wall at 7,033 in ES, which is 7,000 in SPX. In this area we have a little bit of resistance, but above that there's not much. So today we have FOMC, and we are either gonna go tag that or come back and clean up some of the support structure. We left another set of, we left a set of single prints on Friday that we haven't cleaned, on Monday, I'm sorry, that we haven't revisited yet. We have two gaps, RTH gaps. Yesterday we had a double distribution day. So today what there's to do is, what there is to watch for is, do we get back inside yesterday's value? If we get back inside yesterday's value, then I'm looking for a tag of yesterday's close, and then a sweep through to tag value area low, and then from there see if we can get below the single print and then retest value area low from this session from Monday, and then from there watch for continuation to see if we fill at least one of the gaps or part of the gap. You know, I'm in this market. This could we can see buyers at all these levels, either covering their shorts or seeing the opportunity to buy the dip if we get if we don't tag that 7,000 before. If we tag it before, then we could probably see a deeper correction. But if we don't, then I think we're still gonna be seeing dip buyers. And then the final target to, the target to the downside, if we really see a sell-off, is gonna be this area where we have the weekly pivot, the 20-day point of control here at 67.75-ish. What is it? 74. So from
Gold
here
volume.
we could see another area where buyers show up. So having said that, this market is only pricing as of now a 30 something point expected move, meaning that it's only pricing a move down to this area where the gap is. But FOMC earnings, you know, all that could bring extra volatility. So we'll see. Let's see what we get today. But it is priced to get a move to 7,000 for today. So keep that in mind. I think that's about it for ES. We have MQ with the same structure, right? We have this 2 days, we have two unfilled gaps, so same structure as ES. Gold, if you watch my video from yesterday, you saw that I mentioned buying it when we got into this area, and I said I'm buying here at the 39.30 area with a stop below 3900s, and look at the run we got. I covered at 39.80, which is when we started stalling yesterday, right before we got to fill the gap for this session, for the low of this session. So I took about a 50 point trade on gold, which with one micro, that's $500. So it was a really nice move that we had. Then when it opened on Globex, it had a big drop, and then look at this run back to the 4,000. Now we broke 4,000. Now we're back again into the area where we broke from, right? So we were consolidating here. We had these two lows that broke the other day. Now we're trading back inside this range. So what I'm thinking for the next few days is that we're gonna attempt to come back into this 4130 area. So watch that. Watch this this low volume area right here. If we break this, then that idea is invalid. If we stay above it, then I would look for a move back to 4130 in the next couple of sessions. I mean, it could happen today with the FOMC. FOMC tends to move, I mean, gold tends to move on FOMC days. So let's see what happens with that. And then same thing if you watch my, actually I think the video where I mentioned this, I messed it up and it didn't post, but the day that I said that this bull flag looked like it wasn't holding, then it didn't hold, and now we're holding here around between the monthly VWAP and the weekly VWAP. So we established some value up here at 61.40 to 60 area. So if this drop holds, you can see that we're now building some volume here. So if this holds and we start turning around, then this area becomes a target, and then eventually I'm looking for a retest of the 200 moving average up here at 65.20. So I'm watching this area for the next leg up. Tonight we have some earnings, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, we have after the market closes, we have Microsoft, Meta, Alphabet, Starbucks, eBay. So this market is gonna be it's waiting for all that and see, and we're probably gonna get some big moves between today and tonight after the market close. All right. Good luck, everybody, and